Your wiper.
Oh, what? Oh, this cheap bastard, they didn't paint this side. Oh, it's so annoying.
How many nuts are you going to drop today?
Oh shit, I lost it.
Oh shit. Fantastic.
Oh lord. Can you, like, maybe, yeah. Unhook. Step away.
Your wiper.
Oh lord, why did we thought of that? Oh, it looks so embarrassing on YouTube. That side, that side.
Okay.
Okay, let me just.
Okay.
Okay, you can.
Other than that, you gotta find your nut as well.
Oh, what? This is nut.
This one, right? Put the nuts.
It was somewhere here.
Where's the nut?
Ah, we'll do that later. Okay.
Hey, what's next?
Strut brace.
Okay.
Oh, my hand's gonna get so dirty. Do you know this is actually very expensive? Some guy in another FC saw this and he was like, he's trying to offer me, what, 150 bucks, and I thought this was like 50 bucks at most. So I was like, ooh, okay.
then you better keep it in good condition. Son of a bitch!
Nope, you need some persuasion. Fuck this. Take the biggest spanner. Nope.
It ain't working.
Oh, there we go. Fuck my paint. Oh, this cheap bastard, they didn't paint this side.
No, I think they did paint it, but maybe they just put it back on too early.
Oh.
You can see it got flattened.
Oh, yeah.
They put it back on too early before the paint completely dried.
Yeah. True. Okay. Sorry, I don't mean to.
Yeah, you can see the paint right here.
Yeah, I don't mean to discriminate. Oh, let's discharge the. Take this bloody battery off it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, this is heavy. Oh, come on.
Oh, damn. How many nuts are you going to drop today?
2 nuts. Yeah, look at all that space, baby. Holy shit. It's got stuff in here. Yep, come here. Yeah, boy, turbo.
That's not a turbo. I'm gonna be a long project. Okay, so what to dismantle next?
Are you fucking serious?
There goes your
That's my third one.
your third round.
Yeah, what's up? My first contact is on hold, but I still. Oh, it's so annoying. Oh, my back. You regret helping me now?
Kinda.
It's a long way to go.
A really long way to go.
Oh my god, job well done, bro.
Wait, one more stuff.
Oh my god. Ha! Bro.
Oh, great.
Success.
So far, so good. Just got to. Done.
You want to put this in your car?
Too huge. There's no space in my tiny.
We just need a pipe, right?
Who knows?
You never know. Hey, guess what?
There goes another.
Making progress. Making progress.
$2,000 years later.
Just like that, we got an NT engine bay.